what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Because you're holding them about halfway. I mean, of course, we'll let go a little bit earlier because we have to repeat the same round. Okay. Okay. Go on. That's not gonna work. Pinky needs to be taller, significantly. Are you not holding anymore? Oh, you're not holding anymore? That's the first finger here. That's what we're connecting. But you don't have this memorized, not from my point of view. Because if you make mistakes, that means you need to revisit this part, okay? So I would encourage you to play with looking correctly right now rather than spending time for me pointing out things that are already there. Okay? And not holding the notes, it's not even an option. Okay? Alright, let's try again. Also hand position. You look where your thumb is. So all the fingers like a family close together. So when you lower it, some fingers here, some there, that just shows me kind of like, almost like I'm neglecting the hand position, right? It's important. This is what we do, okay? That's why we're playing this exercise. Remember that. You're not pulling it over. You know what? Let's leave it as is. You're going to memorize it. You're going to fix these mistakes. I would prefer to listen to something else rather than what are you learning right now. I'm just pointing out the things that you already know. Okay. So that means for 2 weeks you were not playing it correctly. Where in reality you could have helped the whole thing memorized. 0 mistakes. And then we could have started playing in faster tempo. Now we're pretty much where we were 2 weeks ago. Okay. So learn it well. Then memorize. Okay. Again, sections. Hold your notes. Hand position. And I'm not sure if you understand what I mean by hand position in this case. What do I mean?
Keep your fingers close together.
Yeah.
Keep your pinky and your thumb.
Yeah. Here it is. Like a unit, right? Okay. So let's play a little bit. We have 5 minutes left. Faithfully? Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's do that. 5 minutes, better than nothing. Because we'll work on Chopin a lot too.
Yeah, he's fine.
Yeah. And considering that we're playing this very advanced pieces, I mean, this journey, taking care of this little thing should be super easy for you. In fact, when you don't do that, it tells me that you were not really trying that hard. I could be wrong, but if you compare this to Czerny, right? So we don't want to spend the whole lesson on Czerny, right? Okay. So what do you do here? We have.
It's both. It's
1 through 8.
7 hands.
1 through 8. Have you explored the next page?
Well, you only printed out one
page.
Okay. So I don't have the other 2.
So I need to make. Why did I do this one? Why did I make copies just of 1 page? This is odd. Because it doesn't look like I was making a copy right there.
It is. You made it right there.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Because it looks like really good quality copy. And this copy machine usually makes things. I mean, right now it's not even working.
Oh.
I mean, I don't have the ink there. So,
yeah,
okay. Alright, so let's see how you're doing on this one. I don't think we'll be adding anything. Okay. Maybe we'll try both hands together a little bit. Like both hands together, like right now. The last few minutes. So I can predict this. This is not going to be good. Okay? Stegatissimo. This is not even both hands together, because right hand doesn't do anything. Well, you were supposed to hold it, but you are not doing that. Okay. Next. If you know each hand individually really well, then putting both hands together should not be extremely difficult. You can tell it doesn't sound right. I'll just figure it out. So how many notes do you need to hold in left hand?
9.
Okay, then don't do that. Is your hand position good? Should we play like this? Or should we play whole family is right here and traveling? That's kind of the idea. The family is traveling.
Yeah.
Okay, once you get it, you're going to be playing so much better because quality of tone will be better. You'll be way more relaxed. Okay, so and then you'll be able to play in faster tempo when we need that, right? So from every point of view, it's going to be significantly better. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh.
Yeah, and slower tempo. Yeah, it's already better. Which finger on left hand? Alright. Do we connect G to D, right hand? No. Alright. Which finger on left hand? Do we need to play D left hand or we just hold it? That D right here. Right here. We need to play, so then play it. What is this note? Is it F sharp? Is this note F sharp or this is something else? So you have to learn the music well because the other thing is, I understand you've never played these both hands together, but this is not it. It's not why you're making these mistakes. You're making these mistakes because you did not learn it well. And this is not easy. It's not like those that we played a year ago. So you have to really dig in and ask yourself. It's like an investigation. So you have to be like a detective. The making that many mistakes is not an option. I mean, of course, I can give you something significantly easier, and we can try to do that. But again, it's not guaranteed that you won't be making mistakes because churn is a good example of that. Okay, so it is your job to do exactly as written. We cannot change fingering, we cannot change notes, we cannot change articulation, which is connecting or not connecting, staccato or legato. So those kind of things. Okay, so. Go extremely slow, start combining hands together. I'm not even giving you specifically how many sections. What you feel comfortable with. But you have to take it very, very slowly. One section at a time and then check multiple times. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm writing down Beethoven, start. Both hands together. And actually next week, I want to start with this.
Okay.
Starting with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will we play Chopin next week or?
We will try. I mean, that's the thing. So when we get stuck on things like churning, and I understand Chopin took the whole lesson. That is normal, right? Churning technically shouldn't be taking that much time. Okay. Though we finished that exercise quite easily. It was not. There was no suffering there, right? Okay. So next week, Wednesday, normal.
Yeah.